And welcome to Robot Ignite Academy. ROS Learning starts here. Today we're going to cover ROS Industrial 101. Welcome to the ROS Industrial Microcourse, Chapter 0, Introduction to the course. So what is ROS Industrial? It's a set of projects managed by a consortium to improve the use of ROS in industrial robotics. So to get started, there are a couple of panes here. First, we have the text to read, the source view, project view, terminals, and a GUI. Here's the commands to execute in Demo 1.1. I'm going to start with this ROS launch command. Copy it and paste it. Run it by pressing enter. Then we're supposed to open the graphical view. We'll show you first that there's a command we need to run to get the proper view of that window. Going back, see that the screen's a little, needs to be maximized. So this text just talks about how to maximize that window. Next, we need to set the planning attempts to 4 in this early demo. So we go to the Planning tab, select the field, Planning Attempts, press 4 and enter, and then return. Finally, we're going to run one more ROS launch command. Copy it. We can paste it in this open window. Press enter. So the results of that will be in the Move It window. So let's go back and have a look. And we see the planning is in operation. I can expand that out to have a little bit better view. Kind of move it around, middle click to move. And that's about it for this first introduction. Move it in the gazebo simulation window. So what will you learn in this course? This is a huge project. So there's basically 3 things. There's an overview of how to create a URDF for industrial robots, dealing with the Move It package and motion planning in Python. We're going to learn using a couple different robotic arms, Motoman and a UR5, like these two shown. The minimum requirements for this course is a basic idea of ROS, which you can get from the ROS in 5 days course, some basic Python, basic Unix shell knowledge, basic TF, which you can get from the TF ROS 101 course as well. Special thanks to the ROS Industrial Consortium.